everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute, no equipment, ab workout. So we have 5 different exercises that we're gonna go over twice. Each exercise will be 50 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of break. We're gonna take a quick break after the first set and repeat that one more time. What we need today is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel, and everything will be low impact. And also if you enjoyed this workout, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. And guess who's here? Tiger's here. So if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 집에서 혹은 헬스장에서 하실 수 있는 10분 복근 집중 운동을 해보겠습니다. 맨몸 운동이어서 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 그리고 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 총 5가지 운동을 2세트 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 50초 운동과 10초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 그리고 오늘 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 잊지 말아주세요. 자, 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Big arm circles. Reverse it for 3, 2, 1. Hamstring curls. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2. Tiger's like, Tiger, you're the spotlight. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1. Other side, 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders, rotate, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it up for 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You ready, Tiger? Okay, so first exercise, we are doing knee tap crunch. So right here, we're doing knee tap crunch. So 50 seconds, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Take a break. 2, we are doing leg raises. So, exhale up. Okay. Number 3, commando plank. With shoulder tap. Modification, stay here. Right here. Round 2, back to knee tap crunch. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Take a break, leg raises next. Great job, everyone. Get water. Ooh. Shake your arms out, legs out. Okay, there we go. Shoulder roll out, slightly lean back, and release. Interlace, slowly bend forward. Ear to the shoulder. The ear. Shoulder stretch. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Inhale, exhale, one more. And we are done for today. Those are 10 minutes. No equipment ab workouts. Hope you enjoy the workout. And thank you so much for joining me today. And say thank you, Tiger. And thank you, Tiger, for joining. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.